Hey guys, my name is Mary Carson. I am the instructor for this course, which is Math 171-50. This is a late start course, which means that it's broken down into 12 weeks versus your normal 16-week course, which is fine. Just means that you guys are going to have a little bit more content every week versus another student in the 16-week class. I wanted to do a little brief introduction, a little bit about myself, and then kind of walk you guys through the course, and just so you guys could put a face to a name. I have been teaching here at Martin for 7 years. I taught at North Pitt High School for 6 years prior to that. And I have taught all different types of classes here and as well as North Pitt. I've really enjoyed working here at Martin because I've got to teach, all different types of students, high school teenager students versus the traditional, and some of even older students. It's really been great to be able to teach lots of different um, types of students. A little bit about myself. I graduated from North Pitt High School and then attended ECU for my undergrad and then also for graduate school. And I grew up in Belvoir, which is in Pitt County, and then I live in Bethel now, and also have a Martin County address. I have 3 children. I have 2 girls, and then I just had a boy. I just got back from maternity leave. He is 8 weeks old. So I came back to teach you guys, and we're all doing well, adjusting, not getting a lot of sleep, but it's been great. Um, let's see what else. My husband's a farmer, and we spend our time out in the country, and I love going to the beach in the summertime. I'm looking forward to summer. Um, Tired of the winter dreary days, but anyway, I really look forward to working with each of you guys. The easiest way to get in touch with me is through email. It's just the quickest. You guys can also call me. And yeah, that's about it. All right. So I'm going to share the screen and kind of walk you guys through the course. All right. So when you guys log in, you're going to see the start here. This course opened on Monday and on 2/6, and your mandatory attendance assignment is going to be on the 13th. So 21 out of 29 of you have already done it. So that's great. So those of you that have not done it yet, please go ahead and do that. Your first week's assignment is going to be due on the 14th, which is Tuesday on Valentine's Day. But anyway, when you first log in, please read over this information first, and then go ahead and complete the mandatory enrollment assignment first. My instructor contact information, here's my office number, and I'm at extension 273. My office room number is building 4, room 23A. And this is my email. If you guys, anytime you guys want to meet with me, please email me and we can set up a meeting, because I'm not always in my office. So it's just easier to set up a time to meet with me. So once you do this information, I want you guys to go to the syllabus, and you can read over the syllabus for the course, the instructor interaction plan, which is just kind of what you guys can expect from me for the course. And then I have also made an outline for you guys, which is a schedule, that you guys can kind of see what we're going to be doing every week. Okay. So read over all of that. Yeah, I'm not going to walk through it with you guys because you guys are capable of reading. But if you have any questions about any of it, please reach out to me and I'll be happy to answer any questions. All right, so week 1, every week you're going to have weekly assignments. I give you guys kind of what we're going to be doing for the week and objectives for the week. I also give you guys what you guys need to be reading over in your books, and the objectives for each section. So this first week, we're going to be doing review 4 and review 5. You're going to be given folders for each of these sections. So if you click on the folder, I'll give you the objectives, what you need to read, a video that goes along with it. And then there's also practice problems. Now, these practice problems are not going to be graded. But it's for you to practice. And then if you have a question on something, you guys can contact me and I can either make a Zoom video going over it or I can just kind of work you through it. So you have weekly folders. Um, some weeks you may have a discussion board. This week you have a discussion board introduction. These are graded, just like the quizzes will be graded. So please make sure you do that. You know, a lot of people don't do the discussions. They're easy, an easy grade, and then their grades are hurt because they don't do the discussions. So make sure you guys complete the discussions as well as your quizzes. So here's the introduction. 15 of you have already done that, so that's great. And then you'll be given a weekly quiz on your review, on the review folders this week or your sections. So make sure you guys, do these early enough, start working on this early enough. So that way, if you have a question on something, please contact me before you do your quiz. You guys will have weekly quizzes every week. And then at the end, your finals will be consisted of 4 quizzes. So this course is a 5 contact hour course, which means you guys should be working 5 hours a week. So like I said, your assignments are due on Tuesdays, which means you should not wait until that Tuesday to begin working on the material. Okay. Some of your quizzes, you have multiple attempts. Some of them you do not. So just depending on what the content is. So for example, this R4 quiz, let's see, I can't remember. You have 1 attempt allowed on that one. So, just be careful based on that. I do not allow redos or late work unless there's an extenuating circumstance, obviously, like a death in the immediate family, or you've been in the hospital, or you had a baby, or something like that. So, anyway, every week, this is what you will see, and that's about it, okay? Let me know if you guys have any questions about anything, and I will be happy to answer anything. I look forward to working with each of you guys.